Hello there, my name's Anita and I'm a boring Norwegian. This time I'm trying to fix my furniture. Or break it. I don't know yet. Wish me luck.
This is our coffee table. I'm going to start pulling, dismantling. Hva å demontere på engelsk? Dismount. Okay. Dismounting this table right now. I'm starting with this one because we had this for free. It is second hand and we got it for free because it is broken. So I need to fix the drawers and this felt is not looking too good. I don't see why anyone would want to put felt in drawers like this. However, it's a really nice table. I like the drawers really well because I can hide a lot of stuff in there. The drawer should be like this, not come out. However, I do have a couple of issues. I'm going to bring you along. There are these little details. I started painting it and filling some of the edges and stuff. But I figured nah, I need to exchange this whole tabletop if I'm going to be happy with this. So I just left it and it's been looking like this for way too long. So it's time to do something. Second, there is this shelf under the table. It too has this edge and it collects so much dirt. It's ridiculous. And I want it gone. Now here you can see it really well. So I'm going to dismantle this table, repair it, and paint the bottom part, and exchange the tabletop, and hopefully make it nice and pretty again. Because it is a nice table. The felt is so disgusting. Oh no.
Now this is future me speaking. I had some problems with English or thinking at all that day. Usually when I disassemble my stuff I take pictures, but of course I managed to delete them right after I was finished, so I never found those pictures again. While I disassemble, I usually vacuum and clean a little bit as I go, just to make sure I get all that dirt away, and this table was bad. It was disgusting. I'm really happy I decided to do this. I sort all my hardware in different cups so I don't mess things up or exchange different parts for the table later on. This makes the assembly a lot easier when I need to put everything together again. I tried my best salvaging all the wood from the table, but there was quite a few issues with the drawers. The drawers was in poor condition. They were moldy and rotten, and there was impossible to pick them apart without destroying them completely.
The wood is very dry and brittle, and there's been a lot of moist somewhere, so the hardware is rusty. So I need to build new drawers. So I have kept the best looking parts and I'm going to try and copy them, maybe make them a bit thicker because they are very thin and the wood is not very durable. It's very light, so yeah. And the fronts are they are not hardwood. They are they're not wood all the way through. It's actually just a veneer. So they are falling apart. So yeah, but the base of the table is good. I'm Just need a decent cleaning and sanding. Are you there? Yeah. And I'm going to paint it.
I keep saying I'm going to paint the table, but the truth is I'm going to stain it. So no. I am reproducing the drawers. I am walking between my temporary workshop outside and my workshop and the house. So I put a camera on my harness, so you get to walk through all the steps with me. No, I'm just kidding. I have cut out some parts just explaining what I'm doing, so enjoy!
So this here is our dining table. It's had quite a few years of use. It's made from an oak veneer, and we've had it 15 years. And as you can see, the veneer is cracking, and of course, yeah, look at this one. This whole piece. These are the extensions. They are the worst parts. You can see it chipping off. I'm not going to throw these away. I'm going to use them for something else later on. I'm not 100% sure exactly what. Yeah, and there's of course some paint stain from coloring and painting. Both me and my kids actually. And some of the lacquer has chipped away. I thought about painting the table, but I don't think I can do that anymore. So I'm exchanging the tabletop with the same project as the dining table, and trying to make do with what I have. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be a whole lot better.
This project became a whole lot bigger than I expected it to be, especially with all the extra steps on the coffee table. So I'm going to wrap this part up for now. Next video I'm going to stain my pieces and hopefully get the tabletops on there. I won't be holding my breath. But I hope I don't get any more surprises. I really want this to be done right now because, well, chaos. I don't like living in chaos for too long. Keep watching. I know it's going to be nice when I'm all done. No promises. I can't promise anything. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have questions or even suggestions. I do appreciate them no matter what. And of course, subscribe if you want to. I would really appreciate it. See you soon. Bye bye.